Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on USD CHF. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see from the lower time frame, we can see a significant trading opportunity in USD CHF. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Now looking at first of all monthly perspective to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly we see that USD CHF is a long term bearish market. We have seen from this historical resistance zone where we see multiple times the price has been rejected from here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. So whenever the price is hitting that level, we see the dollar Swiss franc is being rejected. Now from that resistance we have seen that this monthly impulse is created, followed by this green candle is in fact a pullback of this impulse. So impulse correction, now it is in another impulsive phase, and we have seen that with that impulse the price again reached another important monthly level of resistance. Now you saw this level acted here as resistance, support here, and from that resistance we have seen another monthly candle started, and we can expect now a new lower low to be created. Now this current monthly candle already we have seen a strong impulse, and the price still has created a higher low in the previous monthly low. What I think that as the price already has gone up for a pullback, in the rest 10 days we could see USDCHF will try to create another impulse to create a new lower low. So there is still a big gap to be filled in the higher time frame in this instrument. Now let's look at weekly. Now from the weekly we can see that there is a dodgy previous week, this dodgy, and we saw that the price already have traveled around half of this weekly doji, and from that resistance this price now rejecting. Now because it has tested the upper of the weekly week, now it will come to test the lower week. And with that said, we could see that this market even breaking this low. There is one support here and there is another support here that we can expect USDCHF to come and test this level. If we look at daily, we can see that from the daily, the price has formed a long daily bearish engulfer. And you can see this is the daily bearish engulfer that has crossed this narrow green dodges high and then closed as a long red candle in the direction of the major trend. And with that bearish engulfer in the direction of the trend, we can expect now the price to continue to drop, to continue its long-term downtrend. So you see on the daily there is an impulse correction enough, we can expect now another impulse, and even breaking this all this low, creating a new lower low to continue its downtrend. So monthly, weekly and daily giving a potential for dropping on dollar Swiss franc. Now if we look at the further lower time frame for a potential entry, we see there is a narrow doji which is in fact a middleman has been created, and that was a structure. Here you can see with this structure the price has broken down, tested the neckline of this reversal. You can see there is a big support here, support here, support here, down resistance tested this level. We'll be waiting for, as you can see the price already has made a move to the downside. In this move we will be waiting for another retest of this support. We could see at some point during the lifetime of this 4 hour candle, we'll be waiting for USDCHF to go ahead and test this long wick of this uh, doji. If USDCHF doesn't do that, if it continue to drop, then on the way we will try to find an entry on a pullback on the lower time frame. So either of this area, as soon as we will find suitable entry according to the rules of our strategies, we will consider going short on USDCHF with a high probability trade setup. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section how you are trading dollar Swiss franc. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.